And she mentioned that her husband has lung cancer, and he came out. Me and my wife looked at each other, and we basically gave them the job for free.
And I really appreciate everything God has been doing with every client that we meet. And we just want to appreciate everyone for watching the videos and actually be in touch and inspired with everything that we do.
How you doing?
Hi.
You saw our YouTube channel?
Huh? Oh, I did see some ratings though.
Yeah. Sneakers, man. What's your size? What size you wear?
9.
You're supposed to say your size. Here, you see the way you got this foundation? Look.
Yeah, how's it going out? I see it cracked. Yeah, that's not good. Oh man. I should have looked underneath it before I bought this place. I couldn't get under it. Couldn't do it. Damn it.
I'm gonna do a lot more. So besides shaping, I'm gonna trim, like edge your size right there. You see how you don't got no edging?
Yeah.
You probably got these inspectors coming to look around.
Yeah, they do what they call a 360.
Yeah. The only thing I won't be able to do for you is power wash.
Power wash, and we'll have to do that when